In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix website tutorial, how to create a Wix website in 5 easy steps. Start at your Wix account home and open My Sites. From there, click Create New Site. When Wix offers to guide you with chat, choose Set up without chat so you stay in full control. You'll see the onboarding screens. Describe what your website is about and the features you need. Keep those descriptions simple and accurate. This helps Wix prep the right tools for your editor. Next, continue to Design Site. This opens the template gallery. Browse, preview a few options, and when one fits your brand, pick a template. Confirm by clicking Customize a template, then proceed with Pick a template. When you're ready, click Edit to open the Wix editor. If a prompt highlights an option, follow it to proceed. Inside the editor, go ahead and click Publish to push a first version live. Don't worry, you can keep editing afterward. Click Save and Continue, then Done, and choose View Site to confirm your placeholder site is working. Return to My Sites, select your site, and click Edit Site to continue building. Open the Pages panel, click Add Page, and choose Blank Page. Use the highlighted options to confirm the new page. Select New Page if prompted, then open the menu to rename the page. Type your page name clearly, for example, Services or About, and confirm. Now let's set up navigation. Use the highlighted buttons to open the Add Elements panel. Choose a horizontal menu and place it in your header. Click Navigate to connect menu items to your pages. Use any highlighted cues to arrange the order or link items correctly. With the menu selected, open Design, then Customize Design. Choose Fill Color and Opacity to adjust the background and make your menu match your brand. Switch between hover and regular states to style how items look normally and when the mouse is over them. Keep contrast high for readability. When your updates look good, click Publish again, then Done. If you see a highlighted link or button to view your live site, click it to check your changes. That's it. You created a Wix site, chose a template, customized key elements, published it, and added a new page with a styled menu. Tip: keep iterating in short cycles. Edit,